Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a business TikTok account. So let's start.
Wow.
First, open your Google account and type TikTok, create account. After type, click on it and then click on sign up TikTok. And then this type of dashboard appear in front of you. Now you can sign up through phone, Google, Facebook. I can use through mail. First they ask from us enter your date of birth. I use fake date of birth for this fake account. And after, you can sign up through phone number and your email address. I can choose email and then 6-digit code sent into your email account. Now you can enter 6-digit code on there and then click on next. It's a super easy and a good procedure. Now you can create your account. Next step is that you can add your username, which can be shown on the screen of your followers. Now I can type event2365 and click on sign up. Now your sign up procedure is complete. Now this type of TikTok dashboard appear in front of you. Now I can click on profile. Now this is the profile of new account. Go into the setting button and this will be appear in front of you. Now all these settings are available. If you want to turn your account, TikTok account, into your personal account, into your business account, now you can choose the option on and select which category you choose for your business account. Just like I can choose education. And now next thing, I want to select the profile of my DP on TikTok. I can select this logo, scroll down and click on save button. Now you can see username, enter name, enter bio. In bio you can enter related text to your account. Now I can refresh my TikTok account. It's take a few seconds and then you can see how it's appear. It's look beautiful. I hope you can understand. Thank you for watching.